Most people think marketing a cleaning business means getting out there and spending your whole day knocking on countless doors, or gambling on expensive ads, or even cold calling thousands of people locally until someone finally says yes. And it's because of that belief that most people never ever start, because they think that they don't have the time. And look, I get it. You've got a full-time job, you've got a family, you've got life that doesn't slow down and wait for you to figure this business out. Your days are packed before they even begin. But what if I told you that all that was completely false? What if I told you that in the next 8 minutes, I can show you exactly how to build a six-figure cleaning business in just 1 hour per day? That's right. 1 hour of focused work every day to grow the business is all you need. All right, let's start it off with part one. And I'm talking about the mistake that kills most businesses before they ever get it off the ground. See, a lot of people spend that first hour doing stuff that feels like progress. The logo, making a killer website, Instagram, or a really good About Me page, because it's so important. And after all that, zero contracts, zero income, zero traction. Here's the hard truth. None of that creates conversations. And conversations are the only thing that actually turns into contracts for your business. Think about it this way. You can spend an hour making your logo look perfect and nobody pays you for that. Or you can spend that same hour getting in front of 3 business owners who are already paying for the cleaning. One of those hours moves the needle and the other one, well, it just feels good. Do you know the difference between people who land contracts fast and actually succeed with this business versus people who just spin their wheels forever? It's not talent. It's not experience. It's not even connections. It's just knowing how to spend that power hour. So if your business isn't creating conversations, then it doesn't matter how clean your branding looks. That's the mistake I want you to understand. And once you see it, you can't unsee it. Here's what that hour actually looks like when it's working well. And that takes us to part 2, the gold mine you're already sitting on. See, you've got 20 minutes and a list of people who already trust you. You're not going through some database you found online. You're not cold calling strangers who have no idea you even exist. You're starting with the people who already know your name. And think about it like this. You already know people. Those people already work somewhere. Some of them work in offices. Some of them own businesses. Some of them are in buildings that already pay a cleaner a ton of money every single week just for janitorial services. And I'm talking about your old coworker, your neighbor, your buddy from church. Somebody in your circle works in a building that gets cleaned every single night. And they might know exactly who you should talk to. So in these first 20 minutes, you reach out. So the key here is not to pitch anything. Don't send a flyer or your business cards. Keep it casual, keep it direct, and make your ask for that warm intro. See, most people skip this because it feels uncomfortable. But here's what's true. Your fastest way to a contract almost always comes from a warm introduction. That's the truth. That's the closest you are to the money. But when that warm list does run out, and it will, and that's where part 3 comes in, and this one changes how you'll think about selling forever. Part 3, you're not selling, you are searching. See, here's a shift that truly will change everything for you if you allow it. You're not trying to convince anyone to buy cleaning. Businesses you're targeting, they're already buying the cleaning right now, every single day, without you. Your job is to find the ones who are already paying for the cleaning, but they're very unhappy with what they got. And make no mistake about it, they are everywhere. So in the next 20 minutes, I want you to go direct with it. Look up office buildings near you, find the property manager, find the office managers and send a short email. And the way you word that email will completely change how they respond to you. And the best advice I can give you here is you're not begging for a chance here. You're looking for someone who already has a problem. You are the solution. Now, I want you to rewind that back for a second. You're not creating the demand. The demand for cleaning already exists. You are simply finding a person who their current cleaner is making them want to pull their hair out, and you're showing them why you will bring something completely different to the table. That's all it takes. And that energy changes everything. It changes how they respond to you completely. But finding them is only half the job. Part 4 is where the money actually lands in your bank account. Now, part number 4, the step where everyone quits way too early. Here's something no one talks about because it's not sexy. The first message almost always never gets a yes. Does that make sense? It almost never gets a yes. The second one doesn't either. Somewhere in the follow-up, that's exactly where the deal gets done. So your last 20 minutes of this power hour is in the follow-ups. It's where the person who says, maybe next month, the walkthrough you need to confirm, the quote sitting in someone's inbox right now. See, most beginners find someone interested and then they go find new people. Meanwhile, the hot leads in their pipeline, they go cold. Now, here's the thing a lot of people never realize. Most of these commercial cleaning deals close somewhere between the 4th and maybe even the 5th touch point. But most people quit after the first one because they think it didn't work. And it's okay if that was you in the past, but it's not going to be you going forward. But usually how this works is you'll send one email, hear nothing, and then assume it's a no. They don't want this. But that's where the money disappears. The contracts aren't hiding in new leads. They're sitting in the conversations you already started. And when you put these 3 parts together, this is when your calendar and ultimately your bank account starts to completely change. And the best part is it only took you an hour of focus. So here's that hour, 20 minutes of activating people who already know you. 20 minutes of reaching out to businesses that already buy cleaning. And then the last 20 minutes is following up on conversations that you've already started. Do this just 5 times per week. Just every weekday, put this power hour in and you will start landing walkthroughs and contracts. Because like I always say, conversations turn to walkthroughs, walkthroughs turn into contracts. And contracts turn into income in your bank account without you cleaning a single toilet. And here's the part I want you to understand before you leave. The people who actually do this, the ones who actually commit to that one focused hour, they're not special. They're not more connected. They're not more talented than you are. They just stopped waiting and they decided to go all in with this cleaning business so they could finally get that desired outcome, that freedom that everyone's after until they get it. So if you're trying to grow this business and you want to eliminate all the guesswork, you want to know who to target, what to say, when to say it, how to say it, so you can get these clients rolling into you so you can actually build this business this year, make it happen so it's no longer a fantasy. Click the first link in the description of this video, book a call, talk with my team, see how we can help you get there. If you'd rather hang out on YouTube University, much respect and love to you. Go check out this video right now. I'm over there waiting. I think I already started talking. Don't leave me hanging. I'll see you over there.